car uses water. This is how the engine works. First, hydrogen is sent to the engine. Immediately after the hydrogen is ignited, water vapor is injected into the engine. Due to the heat produced by the burning hydrogen, the water vapor expands powerfully. The car runs on steam power. The developer says that using water as fuel has long been one of mankind's dreams. He says this car is the first step to realize that dream. Running a vehicle on hydrogen and water is a new idea, and this is the first hydrogen water vehicle to be issued a state certificate for safety.